He call my phone, he smell like shit. I bet he needs some money, I'm rich. The internet, boy, I ain't dropping shit. Must see all rappers, so like it would keep.
Today we are picking up red onions. We're in a John Deere 6R 195. I am towing my Top Air TL 4400 XT. We're picking up two 80-inch beds of onions. These are red onions. The variety is red carpet. If you imagine a red onion, what you're holding in your hand is probably a red carpet. It's the quintessential red onion. This field's about 65 acres in total. After this field, we have about another 160 acres of some red carpet, some yellows as well. There's some whites in this field we need to pick up yet. We'll probably be doing this for another 10 to 12 days or so. We'll typically store these onions in our shed. We'll hold them for a month or two, usually. And then over the winter, we'll haul them to the packing shed where they will clean them and sort them and organize them and pack them in the bags where they will be then sent out to our customers. Customers being wholesalers, retailers from stores, whoever's buying. And that process will last, usually we try to have the reds out of the shed by January, February. Yellows don't last quite as long in the shed. We usually like to have those out of the shed by December. It's going pretty well, although it is awful dusty and dry this year, so fortunately today we have a breeze that's kind of blowing out some of the dust, but some days it can be pretty brutal.